Hello and welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we will be showing you a list of top 30 scholarships in Canada that are fully funded, and some of them do not require the IELTS and TOEFL examination. But before that, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, if you have not pressed the bell icon, please press the bell icon. If you have not followed us on our Instagram page, please click the follow button here. Also, you can get the scholarship link from here or bio or watch our stories on Instagram. Also, you can message us on Instagram, ask for the links, or you can comment down below the video and ask for the link. Also, you can get the today's scholarship link in our video description. All are on social platforms. You can comment down your difficulty if you are facing any, or you can ask us any scholarship that you want to apply, and we will make a video for you. If you need any help in applying to scholarships, any guidance, you can message us on Instagram. The link is in the video description where you can click and you will be redirected to our Instagram page. Starting today's video, here is a list of top 30 scholarships in Canada. We have previously shown in our videos how to apply to Canada scholarships, and that we have published one or two. Now today we will be showing you list of top 30 scholarships, and the procedure for all scholarships is same. The Canada has the same procedure for scholarships. Today we are including the scholarships that provide the facility to study undergraduate, masters, PhD and above. Also, some of the scholarships do not require IELTS and TOEFL examinations. If you are not downloaded our Android application, please click here on the phone tab and download the Android application. You will be receiving the notifications on the go whenever this new scholarship is posted. And here you can check the YouTube section. If you are not subscribed, please I request you again to subscribe the YouTube channel. You won't regret subscribing to us as we post daily opportunities. Now to start, here you can check the second largest country in the world, a popular study destination with more than 500k international students are hosted. You can check bachelor's, master's and PhD degree will be covered, and some of the scholarships are funded by university, then government and other public universities. Here you can check the details, and here is the list of scholarships for undergraduate students in Canada and York University students. You can check accordingly. Similarly, you can check Carleton Prestige scholarships. Here is a list of complete for undergraduate. Now scholarships in Canada for masters. Similarly, list is provided here. Banting Canada graduate, Vernier Canada. We have previously made videos of these scholarships. You can check our previous videos for Canada. Here is a playlist on our YouTube. You can click on the Canada scholarships and there you will get the other scholarship. Similarly for PhD, you can check. The list is here. And if you can't click on any of the links mentioned in the categories, simply scroll down and check other Canadian scholarship. Here is a list provided again. So similarly, what you have to do for applying this scholarship, you have to simply click here on any of the scholarship. For example, Lester B. Pearson International Scholarship. We have 2 days ago we have posted the video for this scholarship. You can check that full video how to apply on this scholarship. Similarly, click on the link, give it a second to load. Here you can check the scholarship link. We have made our video. If you have watched already, you can simply start applying. Okay, you have to simply get nominated. You have to contact the HOD, and when they nominate, you will have to apply to university. You can still apply to University of Toronto. Similarly, you can check York University, then British Columbia University. These are for undergraduate courses. Here you can check I am an international applicant. Then you have to simply check the awards. Here you can check the scholarship. This is the automatic entrance scholarship based on your percentage. You can apply to any of these scholarships. Similarly, for other we have masters category, and here you can check the Banting scholarship. Here you can check the Canada graduate scholarship. Here you can check the Banting fellowship is over, and you can check the application process. Everything is mentioned here. We have curated this list particularly for international students so that you can benefit yourself from this. Similarly, for this graduate Canada graduate scholarship, you can check here the details are mentioned. You have to apply, you have to simply click here on the research portal. Here this will appear. Simply select the language. If you have previously like made the we have shown this video on how to apply. Full video is there on our YouTube channel, but still let me sign in. We have previously signed in. We have previously made our profile on here. You have to simply sign up, then verify, then you can check the details. You have to fill the details here. Then simply save the profile. Simply click on the home button here, then go and create application. Simply choose the grants that you want to study. Let me create this. Then you have to simply fill the application form here, and you have to validate the details. Now for another can check the Vernier Canada Graduate Scholarship, Canada Memorial Scholarship. Here you can check the Vernier Graduate Scholarship. Here you can check the Canada Memorial Scholarship. You have to here. You can apply here. The button is below. Simply submit the details. Choose the documents, your previous transcripts, achievements, and declaration. Then simply click here on the submit button. It's very simple, very simple. Similarly, you can check the Alberta University Scholarship, Toronto, Ontario. Similarly, for PhD, here you can check the Alberta, Ottawa. All the universities are listed here. Let's suppose this Waterloo, and here you can open the Queens also. You can check the Waterloo. Here you can check the scholarships. There are president scholarships. Lot of scholarships are provided. You can choose according to your department, and then you can simply apply. Similarly, here you can check the Queen's University. You can check for the eligibilities. Everything is mentioned here. These are for the international scholarships. Similarly, you can click according to your stream for masters, for bachelors, for PhD, and above. You can choose your favorite like university or favorite scholarship that you have previously studied. If you have researched for some scholarship, like you have been following some scholarship from last 2-3 months, you can simply prepare for that and apply. We have tips and guides also mentioned on our website. You can simply go to our website, or simply click here on the search button and type tips. Here you can check 7 tips for improving scholarship. Swiss government excellent scholarship, you can check how to win achieving scholarship. The Gates scholarship, we have everything is mentioned here. You can also search for Canada and this keyword will redirect you the top scholarships in Canada, how to study in Canada, is Canada worth studying, how to study without IELTS. Here you can check internship in Canada, scholarships Canada without IELTS 2021, Canada, MBA, BBA, BCom scholarship. Similarly, you can check study in Canada without IELTS, TOEFL, Canada Presidential Scholarship, Canada Graduate Scholarship, Ottawa Scholarship, Alberta. Everything is mentioned here. Everything. You have to simply click on the search button so you can apply to any of the scholarships. So that was our today's video for this top 30 scholarships Canada. At that, I will remind you again, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. Also comment down your difficulty if you have any. Please give a thumbs up to this video so that we get encouraged to do more. Also, if you have not followed our Instagram page, please click the follow button. You can message us and ask any doubts you have. You can also recommend your friends, and by recommending you can create your own circle and a group, and that you can get the documents and tips to apply easily. You can also watch our previous videos here. Everything is mentioned and the scholarship links are in the video descriptive descriptions. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.